Part D says, hence or otherwise, solve the equation sine x plus sine 3x equals cos x between the interval of 0 and pi. So if we just staying at sine x plus sine 3x, using our equation from part that we can see in part C, n must be 2, because it would go all the way up to sine of 2 times 2 minus 1, which is sine 3x, which we have here. So if n is 2 on the left hand side, let's make n 2 on the right hand side, and that will get us 1 minus cos of 2 times 2 times x, so 4x over 2 sine x, and this will equal, we want this to equal cos of x. So I've essentially just used the right hand side of this from part C, subbing in n equals 2, and we want to try and solve this. So let's multiply the 2 sine x up, so we get 1 minus cos of 4x equals 2 sine x cos x. Some trig identities we can apply here. Cos 4x, that is a trig. We can use the cos 2x identity there and essentially double the angle in the second term. So this is the same as 1 minus 2 sine squared 2x, because cos 2x, this would be sine x, so I've just doubled the angle. And 2 sine x cos x, that's just the same as sine 2x, double angle formula. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is disappears, minus and minus, so therefore 2 sine squared 2x equals sine 2x. Let's move the sine 2x on the other side, and we're going to get 2 sine squared 2x minus sine 2x equals 0. What is common there? Sine 2x is common, so we can take that at the front. Sine 2x, and I'm left with 2 sine 2x minus 1. And then a null factor law. When does this equal 0 and this equal 0? Well, sine 2x equals 0. I can solve this. So 2x between our given domain here, 2x must be equal to pi. That's when sine is 0. So therefore x will be pi on 2. We can't use 2x equals 2 pi, because then x would be pi, but that's not what, doesn't include pi in our domain. So this is the only answer in our domain for the first one. And over here, so let's rearrange this. This will be 2 sine 2x equals 1. Therefore sine 2x equals a half. With that triangle, 1, 2, root 3, pi on 3, pi on 6. Pi on 6 is our tool angle here, because opposite over hypotenuse is a half. So 2x will equal, it can be pi on 6, it can be 5 pi on 6. And that's the only positive one, so it's going to be pi on 6 and 5 pi on 6. So therefore x will be pi on 12 once I divide by the 2, and 5 pi on 12. They all my answers. X equals pi on 2, x equals pi on 12, and x equals 5 pi on 12. Yes. Okay, 3 answers. That's the answer to part D.